Okay, so me and my husband just got the bed out since tomorrow's trash. Look how nasty. Look at these pigs. And this was worse. I cleaned it. I should have never gotten rid of them piss bottles. Paraphernalia. They are so freaking disgusting. Oh my God, look at them walls. I am going to paint this room, throw some nice hardwood floors, and make it into an office or a workout. I get a workout machine. I am going to love, this is my 2018 project. Get that hall fixed. The bed bug king and queen are gone. She came and picked up a few stuff today. She told my husband that there's 2 bags that are trash. But we're going through it because they stole our clothes. They used to take our clothes. Now, and I don't know how. And I can understand her taking my clothes because my closet is there. But how did he get my husband's clothes when we have a deadbolt in our door? This is just, I'm scared I might bump into something. Oh my God, just taking the bed out. No. Okay, so I used to use lingerie like this back in my 20s and my 30s. But I had so many lingeries. And this girl used my lingerie. Like, who does that? Nobody in their right mind does that. I am going to make this my 2018 project. I love it. I love it. So the bed is out. We have the dresser here. I don't know what's in that bin down there. This is something I wanted to show you guys. I guess we have mice because we were hearing some rattling. Look at this. Oh, goodness. Oh, my goodness. No. I got to get rid of this bag. This is disgusting beyond belief. What was going on in this bedroom in my home? But I am going to bless it. And it's going to be my 2018 project. So as I go along, I will show my viewers. I'm just sharing the pain. And if there's any mother out there, my email is WAN as in Nancy, M as in Mary, A as in Apple, T as in Tom, 03@yahoo.com. And if you're in some sort of pain and you're feeling guilty because somehow you don't have the guts to get rid of your son or your daughter that are abusing you in any kind of way, hit me up. We'll talk. We'll talk. But when I come back again, it's going to be clean. Then little by little, I'm going to get it done. The walls, which this room was done. I did it with my brother. So I'm going to fix that hall. A new window. I'm going to get rid of that. So much potential I see in this room now. I'm quite excited. I am quite excited. I wish them the best, and like I said, I will keep them in my prayers. Thank you for watching. And if you want to see more as I keep improving the room, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye.